bugs, we're mixing up some more bath bombs. I'm gonna use some unicorn poop, and I'll be using a lot of that. I'm gonna use that in soap, some bubble bars, and I may put that in some candles too as well. I'm not too sure. So right now we have our dry ingredients in here, and we're gonna mix these up. Now, because I want these to bubble, I'm going to add in some SLSA. I'll be right back. But I do want them to be different colors. I'm going to do like a mix. These will have embeds in them. So I'm just drying out some bowls that I washed. So before I add in the cocoa betaine, I'm going to color this, add in the oil, and I'm going to add in the oil, the poly, and the fragrance, and then I'll separate it off and be able to color it. And this unicorn poop is from Crafter's Choice. Oh, and it smells so good. It smells like cotton candy. I hope this doesn't. It has vanilla in it. So hopefully it doesn't discolor. It's like a pink, like a peachy color already. So I'm going to move these out of the way for now. Let's mix this up. I'm just going to get my handy dandy spoon from out of my box. And I'm going to mix this up, make sure we have everything from the bottom, all the dry. Just bring that up to the top just in case. We want everything well incorporated. I'll mix once again. Alright, so we're going to separate these. And I'll probably do like a pink, a purple, and maybe a yellow. So I'm just going to eyeball it. Put some of this in here. And put some of this in here. So since I already have the yellow sitting here from the previous bombs doing the mixture. I'm going to add that in the small container. And that's going to be yellow. I'll do purple in this one. So we'll do a mix of blue and red. So here's our red 40. Now I'll make our purple. And then I'm going to use a, I'll do red 28 for the pink. So I'm going to get these colors mixed in. And then we'll add our cocoa betaine, let them fizz up some, and then dry out. And then I'll bring you guys back when it's time to do the molding. All this is good and mixed in. Our red. It's all good. And lastly, our purple. And we'll start putting the cocoa betaine in this one after the colors mix. And it usually takes a little while for it to fizz up and come back down and be dry enough to put into the mold. We have to mix this some more. All the color wasn't incorporated. So I add this in a little bit at a time and make sure we mix. And we'll mix on high. this is going to rise a few times and fall, and we're going to let it do its own thing. So you get the gist of what's going on. I'm going to do that 2 more times after I rinse this off, and I'll see you guys for the molding. Hey bugs, so we're trying to finish off our unicorn poop bombs, and I've already have about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have 9 done. Hopefully this can be number 10. These bombs are a little bit smaller than the other bombs that I've made. They've also been the trickiest. Sister came in and started cooking. The kitchen got ultra dry. These babies no longer wanted to come out of the mold and mold right. So I had to let the kitchen cool off and give them a break because they dried all the way out. And because of that, our still won't come out. Because of that, our mix got muddled. So now we have galaxy unicorn poop. Let's see. Nope. So we'll try that again. This time it didn't come out. I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you another one. There goes my video reminder. I'm trying to upload as we speak as well. So I've been multitasking all day. Hopefully this can be my last full bomb for these anyway. And I have the Be Delicious to make, which is like basically green apple, but a little more sophisticated. I love that fragrance. That Chanel Chance, Ralph Lauren, the original one for women, and what is it? It's another, and I can't remember the other one, but it's a few that I like. So this is the top of the unicorn poop. It's another one that came out. I'm waiting for the top to, the bottom to come off. So let me knock that again. Okay. Ta-da! So that'll be my last one on camera. And I will catch you guys on the flip side. So if you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel and you want to keep hanging out with us, don't forget to hit that subscription notification. Don't forget to subscribe. See, I told you I'm tired. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until next time, you guys, as always, be well and stay blessed. Bye for now. There you have it, folks. Another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you'd like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye for now.